Welcome to 10 in 2, your quick guide to travel, lifestyle, and more. Today, we explore travel vlogging. If you're ready to start your channel, this video is for you. First, let's discuss equipment. You don't need pricey gear, but the right equipment enhances video quality. Tip 1. Choose the right equipment. Use a good camera and microphone, whether it's a smartphone or a DSLR. Also, consider a tripod, stabilizer, and extra batteries for mobility. Tip 2. Plan your content. Engaging content is crucial for a successful travel vlog. Plan your content before traveling. Consider your destinations, activities, and stories. A content calendar helps stay organized and capture necessary footage. Tip 3. Learn basic video editing. Edit your footage into compelling videos using available software. Experiment with different editing tools to find what suits you. Tip 4. Back up your footage. Avoid losing footage to glitches or lost devices. Regularly back up to external drives or cloud storage. Tip 5. Stay connected. Reliable internet is crucial for uploading videos and engaging with your audience. A portable Wi-Fi hotspot ensures internet access. Tip 6. Focus on storytelling. Create a narrative that captivates and engages your audience. Consider the narrative arc and craft compelling stories. Tip 7. Be consistent. Consistency builds an audience. Upload regularly to keep viewers engaged. Tip 8. Engage with your audience. Build a community by interacting with viewers and responding to comments. Tip 9. Collaborate with other creators. Collaborations can help reach new audiences and grow your channel. Reach out for potential collaborations in your niche. Tip 10. Have fun. Travel vlogging lets you explore and share your experiences. Grab your camera and enjoy the journey. Thanks for joining 10 in 2. Like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Happy vlogging!